out of the Fiat. Just wanted to do a quick video to share that with you, and then potentially get people's thoughts, feedback, advice. Kind of drawn on lots of different conversions to get what I want and what I think is the best use of space. So yeah, just be interested to hear people's ideas really. Thanks. Okay, so I've just drawn up a very rough plan of the van. So if you're looking at the van, this is the front of the van and the cab area is here. The rear doors are here, and then you've got the sliding door on this side here. I've split my van up into 3 sections effectively. You've got the main bedroom here, the living area, and then the kitchen. So with the bed, I want a full double bed, and I want that to be sort of half the height of the van. This is so that you can get bikes and surfboards and other kit underneath the bed. But then with the Fiat, you've still got the height to be able to sit up in bed. Should be good. And the bed, yeah, so it's going to go across the van rather than long ways, which is what a lot of people do, because you can't fit a full length bed in most vans. But the Fiat is just about wide enough. It's about 3 centimeters short, I think, of getting a normal double mattress in, which is 190 long. The Fiat's 1.87 meters long, so I'll just get a foam mattress, I think, and squish it in there. If anyone's done this or has got any experience or advice doing this, I'd be interested to hear. And then onto the living area, so you've got an L-shaped bench seat here, and the idea is that this section here of the bed will pull out to form like a second bed. It won't be a full double bed, it'll be like a 1.5 width bed, and then so you've got sort of a second bed area in that shape there, and then this, which will be a full height cupboard, the bottom of which is where people's legs will go into the cupboard, and it'll have a roller door there for people's legs to go, so he can have basically got a full length bed, and then a removable table in the middle, and access at either side of the table so you can get into the bench seat. A third area, the kitchen. Now I've done this differently to what a lot of people seem to do. A lot of people have their kitchen along this side here, the opposite side of the to the sliding door. But I thought you have more space if you put it where the bulkhead normally is, because I don't want sort of be able to walk into the cab. I'm not planning to put swivel seats in or anything like that. So I'm going to have like a half height bulkhead here, so you can see in to the cab from the van, but you can't walk in to the driving area. And then yeah, I'll just use IKEA furniture for the kitchen, and then put a dometic fridge and sink stove combo. What else to say? Yeah, so I'll just shape the furniture here so it's nice and curved, so just to open up that space there in the doorway so that you've got plenty of room to get in, whilst also maximising the kitchen worktop area and that cupboard space. And then along the full length of the van here, sort of at head height, be another cabinet, again probably from IKEA, just for loads of storage. And then, as I mentioned, under the bed I want to have some sort of big long drawers that come out the back of the van here. Get bikes in underneath on probably sliders there, and then surfboards can go in under here and also go under the bench seat, so you've got that full length there for long items like surfboards, supboards, stuff like that.